Unfortunately, there's a lot of noise around advice-only financial planning today, having been blurred by competing versions. Many advisors use similar labels like fee-only or flat fee, but fail to detail their processes or explain how they work to truly eliminate conflicts of interest. This lack of a standardized approach means the perception remains that sales or referrals could still influence your plan. Our clear, objective methodology ensures a structured, transparent process that, by design, separates advice from any kind of financial sales pitch. Others swing to the opposite extreme, banning experienced advisors and limiting the process to a rigid, one-size-fits-all, do-it-yourself investing model. In both cases, the planning experience often feels predetermined, leaving clients with a limited or compromised form of advice that may fall short of full objectivity. Thankfully, there's a better way. We originally developed the advice-only methodology to cut through just that kind of confusion. It's a conflict-free, structured process built for real-world planning. We don't exclude experienced advisors. Instead, we incorporate their valuable expertise into a reliable process for delivering objective advice. Our four-step process puts you, not your portfolio, at the center of the conversation. No subscriptions or drawn-out processes, just a set methodology that works the same way every time. Advice-only financial planning shouldn't be vague or exclusive. It should be transparent, accessible, and centered on solving your real problems, with no hidden agenda. Ready to work with a genuine advice-only planner with a clearly defined and consistent process? Visit adviceonly.info to watch our videos, read our blog, or book a paid consultation. Let's build your plan objectively and without the conflicts.